Hello, my name is Juana Gallegos and I will be presenting an instructional technology called iReady. iReady is a comprehensive assessment and instruction program that empowers educators with the resources they need to help all students succeed. So basically, iReady is a program that is within the grades K to 8th grade. And it's a program where it's developed by the students' proficiency levels, and it's tailored within the subjects of math and reading. I've seen this program personally be used by the students in my class. I'm an instructional assistant, and my students are mild to moderate from grades K to 1, first grade. And they it's really easy for them to use in their iPads or Chromebooks. It's based on their grade level. So in the beginning of this program, they have to complete a diagnostics within the math and reading subjects, and it looks something like this. And then it delivers, when they're finished with the diagnostics, it delivers online lessons provided, and they're tailored within their results from the diagnostics. So it's really based on their grade level. And it's when they're doing the activities and the lessons, it provides a lot of scaffolding support for them. So if they get it wrong, it helps them go through the process of how to get the answer right until they accomplish the activity. Like I said, this is an image of how it would look for the student. It's really clear, simple to see. The students understand what's the lesson and what's the next thing to do. An importance of this resource within instruction, it's like I said, it's personalized instruction. So its whole purpose is designed to provide students and to challenge students to work at their level and ability. So this empowers the students to celebrate their progress. And like I said, when it challenges the students, it gives them more different levels, and it provides more challenging activities. But like I said, it scaffolds them to make sure that they are understanding the subjects. And then assessment is a really nice assessment tool for teachers. They basically log into the website and their username, and all teachers have access to their students, what they have already completed, and what they need help with. And if they're going fast, that's something really important. Sometimes students tend to just skip and guess, and the resource will let the teacher know who isn't trying their best. And then after this, this program engages students. So like I said, not only does it give them activities, but they give them a lot of brain breaks, what they call. And within those breaks, there's a lot of just fun games for them to play, and they earn tokens, and it's just really engaging for them. And when they succeed and they get the 100%, we also give them another reward, such as stickers, just because they did such a great job in their lesson. Difficulties within this technology is that students that are moderate to severe disabilities may find this difficult to use. It is something that students do independently, and teachers cannot help the students with these lessons. It's really about it's about learning what they know. So it's really difficult for students with moderate to severe disabilities, because sometimes they have a hard time answering the questions. And like I said, students cannot get any assistance during the diagnostics. So sometimes students with autism or other types of disabilities do get easily frustrated and anxious. So I have seen students have like a crisis during the lessons where they just need help, but we can't really help them. And then within bilingual opportunities for students with English language learners, I'm still learning to see if they have more opportunities for those students. I have a student that only speaks Spanish in my classroom, and he is also struggling to provide correct answers for his assessment. So I don't see a lot of opportunities for students that are English language learners. But other than that, it's a great resource to use, and especially because it's really easy to use for the student and for the teachers, and teachers can be also engaging the student and making sure and using their assessment really for their ability to increase. So overall, I really like this, and I hope that you can encourage your students to use this. Thank you.